How to schedule Instagram Reels on PC. So if you want to schedule Instagram Reels on PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. On your browser, you need to go with search and search for Instagram. Under Instagram, you need to go with Reels, which is on the left side, or you can also just go with more section, which is on the bottom left. And from here, you may have create option. So click on create, and after that, under create, you need to select Reels. So go with post, and from here, you need to go with select from computer and select the post that you would like to add. After that, go with open, and from you need to go with next and select the filter if you want to. After that, go with next.
Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to you need to sign in with your Instagram.
And here you may have schedule option. But if you don't find the schedule option right here, then there is another way. What you can do is just simply go back, go to a new tab, and search for business.facebook.com, which will take you to the Meta Business Suite. And here you need to go with your Instagram account. Make sure that your Instagram is added. And from here, you need to go with Create Reel, which is on the top right. Once you're under Create Reel, now from here, you need to scroll down and you need to go with Add a Video or Add a Photo. So select a video or a photo, anything that you're comfortable with. After that, go with Open. And here you need to scroll down again and enter your description. After that, scroll down, select the thumbnail and go with the collaborator if you want to add a collaborator. And after that, go with next, which is on the bottom right. And now you can edit it if you want to. And once you've done with the editing, you need to go with next, which is on the bottom right. And from here, if you scroll down, then you will have an option of schedule. So here you will have scheduling options. You need to click on schedule and then enter the date, the time, and after that, if you want to share it to your story, you can go and toggle that on. Or if you want to share it to your groups, you can toggle that on, or playlist, or add a poll. And after doing all of these, you need to go with schedule, which is on the bottom right, and it will be scheduled. That's how you can schedule a post on Instagram Reels. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.